a problem, it's only one of our and please important rule, sir, please do that. If you have a camera, maximum depth in all sorts to shoot 5-6 inches precise. Maximum time 30. And this is, if this your dead master, this one, respond, this respond. If you have a problem, it's like this side. What's your problem? Your air, equalize. Do you know how to equalize? There's no pressure.
Gatos sa kapel. Gamay na. 400 sa kapel. 400 sa kapel.
Lock your mouth and your nose. So that you can go down a little.
Gani.
Maybe because in the shallow, so many pumps. Maybe
Gani.
That will go a little bit 5 to 6. And we will take pictures for you, both of you, or one-on-one. There's some also that master hold in the back. We'll take pictures and videos. Okay. Please bring your mask, pins, and this one. This one is very
Ako rin dala.
I will that through his.